How do you harness the energy of your red quartz crystals? Today we are going to go over 3 crystal healing rituals to activate your fire energy, attract love and friendship, and ground your root chakra to better tame your temper. My name is Sheila Satin, and I'm one of the owners here at Satin Crystals. Today, let us unleash the energy of your primal red quartz. What is red quartz? So red quartz is a natural clear quartz which has inclusions, usually hematite, sometimes goethite, iron, or other minerals that give it its reddish color. So it's a natural quartz. Sometimes you can find it as a hematoid quartz, a tangerine quartz, a strawberry quartz, an iron quartz. As long as it has that reddish tone, it qualifies as a red quartz. But don't get it confused with a dyed red quartz or even a glass that they're trying to pass off as quartz. It has to be a natural quartz with natural reddish inclusions. Crystal healing ritual number 1, activating your fire element. Some people naturally have their fire element raging within them. Other people will have to activate this element so you can feel bolder and less fearful. So you want to do this ritual if you have a goal in mind, but you just don't have the confidence to reach it. Once you activate your fire element with your red quartz crystals, you'll feel that rush of emotion, the can-do, take charge attitude that you will need to reach your goals. For this ritual, you will need one or both of these crystals, your red hematite quartz sphere and your dragon flame iron sphere. So first you will want to charge your spheres in the sunlight, at least a 1 cycle of sun period. So you can place it in your garden or on your windowsill, let it charge up with sun energy. And then you are going to want to lie down in a comfortable space, whether it's a bed or the floor, and place your red quartz spheres at your root chakra. And your root chakra is at the base of your spine. So you can place your sphere a few inches below the base of your spine, or you can hold them at your hips. You can hold them over your groin, anywhere around your root chakra. And then you're going to want to close your eyes, relax, breathe deeply, get into a meditative state, releasing all the tension in your body. And then you will imagine that a fire is being lit at your root chakra. And this fire encompasses all of your creativity, your passions, your drive, your fire element. Imagine it slowly filling your whole body, traveling up and down your aura. It lights your whole aura ablaze. And once you are filled with fire element, think about that goal that you have in mind and imagine yourself going for it, full force, no hesitation, with great success and achievement. Now this meditation can be done for however long and as many times as you want, as you build up your fire energy. After your meditations, place your red quartz spheres somewhere prominently so you see them and are reminded of your fire element and your motivation, so you can constantly be reminded of the goal that you are about to achieve. Crystal healing ritual number 2, attracting love and friendships. Red quartz is a crystal known for attracting and strengthening relationships. It is the crystal that promotes love, loyalty, friendship, affection, and passion. If you feel like you're missing a friendship or relationship in your life, this ritual is for you to attract those people who are going to fulfill your every need and desires. For this ritual, you are going to need a strawberry quartz sphere and a fire quartz pendant, best worn at your heart chakra. To begin this ritual, you're going to want to energetically clean and charge your crystals. So if you need instructions on crystal care, head over to Satin Crystals. We have a lot of information on how to do that. Once you have cleaned and charged your crystals, don't program them quite yet. Just find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down or even stand up and focus on your heart chakra. So make sure that your pendant is worn over your heart chakra and hold your strawberry quartz sphere at your heart chakra as well, as this is where all your love energy flows. Now, depending on what you're trying to attract, you're going to say a different mantra. You can make up your own affirmation. I'll give you examples here as well. Whatever you do come up with, make sure that it is in the present tense, it is positive statement, and say it at least 10 times. It is best said out loud so all the universe can hear, but of course you can say it mentally as well. Now, if you're seeking friendship, you could say, I attract a best friend who understands me, has fun with me, and is always there for me. If you're attracting a new love, you could say, I attract a partner who is loving, passionate, and enriches my life. As I said, at least say it 10 times, more the better. You could say whenever you want throughout the day. After your mantras have been said and recited, you can place your strawberry quartz sphere, if you are seeking friendship, in the living room or dining room, somewhere social, so whenever you see the sphere, you remember of what kind of friends you want to attract. If you are seeking a new love, place your strawberry quartz sphere in your bedroom, and every morning or every night you can recite your mantras and attract the loves that you wish. As for your quartz pendant, make sure to wear it throughout the day so that you're announcing to the universe that you are open for new love or new friendships. Crystal healing ritual number 3, taming your temper. Is your fire element out of control? Help tame your angry impulses with this fire and ice red quartz ritual. It helps balance your passion with a calm and collected energy, but without losing that creative drive. For this ritual, you're going to need a fire and ice sphere and a fire and ice pendant. To begin this ritual, energetically cleanse and charge your crystals. Don't program them quite yet, but just clean and charge them. Next, place them in the refrigerator until they're nice and cold. Once they're cold, take them out, find a calm, peaceful location, sit down, lie down, stand, hold your quartz sphere in your hands, wear your quartz pendant, and imagine an icy feeling floating through your body. Now you can say your mantra, whichever you like to balance your fire and ice energies, or I'll give you an example here. Say it at least 10 times out loud or in your mind. For example, you could say, I cool my inner fire with ice while maintaining a healthy passion. Now with this mantra, imagine the icy energy of your quartz filling your whole body, your inside, your outside, your thoughts, your mind, your aura, your soul. Let it all cool down and imagine any excess red energy from your fire element that is no longer serving you, just seeping out, flowing down into the earth. Now in the future, whenever you feel yourself getting angry or anxious, just grab a hold of your fire and ice crystals, wear your pendant, and immediately, instantly cool down into a Zen state of mind. Those are 3 crystal healing rituals which you can use with your red quartz crystals right away. If you need red quartz in your life, make sure to head to Satin Crystals, where we have a lot of red quartz and a whole collection of natural gemstones waiting for you. While you're there, make sure to join the Satin Crystals VIP Club, where we send out metaphysical information every single week. Please do like and subscribe to our videos so we can continue bringing you crystal videos as well. Thank you again, and as always, thank you for your positive energy here at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading your light into our world.